Hello, this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab Medical, and today I want to go over a little fear factor that a lot of patients come in with. They talk about, oh, I don't want my neck adjusted or manipulated because they're really scared of the neck being torqued out, and it really just gives them a lot of fear. So today I actually have Tracy with us, who I'm going to actually demo just an alternative that we can do and just show you a little bit about what we can do on that. So Tracy, if you will, go ahead and just lay down on your back here. And really what the whole purpose of when we're actually coming in and actually giving the spinal manipulation or adjustment, we want to get motion into a restricted segment so that way we can facilitate healing to that area, and then we can also calm down the muscles if there's a lot of tension. So a lot of times we'll actually come here and real lightly do a quick thrust with high velocity and low amplitude to facilitate that. Now a lot of times people think that's the only way, but we actually have tools that actually, if you're scared of that, have an instrument that we can actually have Tracy turn her head, okay, to the right for me, right here, and we can actually get that same segment right there with a gun that does the same exact thing as my hand would, but actually there's no torquing, no popping. So if that is one thing that a lot of patients have a lot of issues with and that they're fear about, you can actually see there's many different methods we can do. So I hope this was informative. Please tune in next week. I'm actually going to go through a series of actually what the chiropractic adjustment is going through the whole spine. So please comment in the comments below this video, and we hope to see you guys next week. Thank you very much.